beautiful jewelries from pipabella.com. Now if you've not heard about this website, then pipabella.com has like a beautiful wide variety of statement jewelries, accessories for a good price. Now they are on a pricier side, but the product quality and design is very different and unique, so the price is okay-ish. Now if you want to purchase any of their product, you can go directly to their website, which is pipabella.com, and get like 10% off. But if you want to check it on other website, they are available on Myntra and Ajio as well, and the discounts you get on Myntra and Ajio is better than their official website. So anyways, I'm not going to talk a lot. Let's get straight into unboxing. Now guys, I had already shot this video, but then जो frame है उसका ठीक से नहीं आया था, तो I had to reshoot it. So the clips of how it came, I'm going to post somewhere over here. Now this is how their packaging is, which is very beautiful. Now in case if you want to gift your friend or someone, I think this is like a very good option because the packaging is very cute, and this is cardboard, so I think you can actually store your products inside this. I really like the packaging. First product is this beautiful shell earring. Now this came wrapped in a white paper, which was really cute. Now you can get it in 3 or 4 different colors. I think black, blue, and some other colors. I got red because I think you can mix and match with a lot of your clothes. And the yellow you see here, the golden you see here, is not very bright yellow. It's very subtle, so I think you can wear it with your western wear or Indian wear both. And the detailing is very cute, very nicely made, and it is very lightweight, so in case if you don't like wearing heavy jewelries, I think you can try this one. And the price of this originally on their website is 1199, and I think on Myntra it's just 980 rupees, which I think is okay. I feel it is a little expensive for this earring, but I have not seen something like this somewhere else, so I think the price is okay. So I am assuming the color is not going to fade off, so if it is not going to fade off, I think the price is really good. Next product I have here is this beautiful minimal ring. This is how it looks. What I really like about this ring is that the placement of this white stone, it is very different, not like the regular ones. It is actually embossed into the ring, so it looks very different. It looks like you're wearing a golden ring. And again guys, the golden over here, it's not very shiny or not very yellowish. It's very subtle and nice, and the metal is very strong. It's not at all flimsy. I can't bend it, you can see here. And if you have like a tiny finger, then you can actually adjust this. You can just have to press it over here. And the price of this is just 749 rupees, which I don't think is expensive because the metal is strong, it's not flimsy, and I think this is going to stay long if you like store it in a nice way. So this is how it is. Next product I have here is the snake patterned bracelet with charm. The bracelet was available in like 3 or 4 colors, red, wine, and black, I guess, but I felt this is something very good which can go well with gold or rose gold, so I got this one. And if you see the detailing over here, there is like beautiful charm. Now you can write anything. I wrote lit, and there's like diamond detailing over here, and there's a separate charm over here which is like a wine glass or a champagne glass. The product is of a very good quality, and it's like perfect on my hand. You can stack it up with your watch or bracelet, which is going to look really good. The price of this is 1199 rupees. Now in case if you want to purchase this, I'm going to give the link in my description box. So the next piece I have here is this beautiful shell earring. This is how it looks. It is made up of real shell. That's why there's like holographic effect over here. It's in a swivel kind of a design, which is very unique and different. I have never seen something like this before, and the beauty of this is this copper detailing, bead detailing, which they have given. It's super light, and what I think is if this falls, it is going to break, so you need to be very careful while using this. but the piece is very pretty. The price of this is just 899 rupees, which I think is like a nice price because shell jewelries never go out of trend, so I think this is like a good investment. So the next product I have here is this beautiful shell necklace. Now if you see the shell over here, it is cut in like square pieces, and there's like a beading, white beading in between, so the detailing is very nice, and it is real shell, guys. If you can see, there's like kind of slight shine, and this is something which is always on trend and very beautiful when you wear like a beach wear. And the size, the length is perfect. It's not very short, it is not very long, it's like perfect. If you're wearing like a deep V-neck, then you can wear this along with that. And the product is very well made. This is going to last for years. And the price of this, it is a little expensive. It is for 1599 rupees, but I think shell jewelries never go on trend, so you can like invest on something like this. If you purchase it on Myntra, I think you get this for 1300 rupees or something. Exact price I'm going to mention in my description box. You can check that if you want to purchase this. So the next product I have here is this beautiful bangle in golden. It's a little different bangle. If you can see that, I'm going to give a closer picture of this. Now the color over here is not very bright golden, it's very subtle and nice golden. Again, it is going to look good if you wear western or Indian. And what I really like about this is the design is very simple, but still very nice and unique. And I am a little disappointed because it is a little huge on me, so maybe I'm going to give it to one of my friend. Yeah, coming to the price, the original price of this on the website is 1099 rupees, and on Myntra it is for 899 rupees or something. And I really like the piece. I wish it was like adjustable sort of a bangle. This product they included, it's actually complimentary. It's this green tea face mask from Face Shop. It is worth 100 rupees, and I really like a green tea product, so I'm going to try this very soon. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked today's haul video. Now if you want to purchase this from their site, they do have cash on delivery option as well. You can check that out. So I will see you in my next video, guys. Till then, take care. Bye.